One sunny morning, Mama Duck stretched her wings and fluffed her feathers. "Quack, quack! Time for an adventure, little ones," she called. Out from the tall grass waddled 5 fluffy ducklings, tiny, curious, and full of energy. Today, Mama Duck was taking them to a secret pond far beyond the big oak tree. "What's so special about the secret pond, Mama?" one little duck asked. Mama Duck smiled. "You'll see when we get there, but we must stick together." The 5 little ducks nodded. "Yes, Mama," and off they went, waddle, waddle, waddle. But these 5 little ducklings were very curious, and along the way, one by one, they got distracted. As they waddled through the meadow, one little duckling spotted something wiggling in the dirt. "Ooh, a squiggly wiggly worm! I must catch it!" And before Mama Duck could say a word, off he went, chasing after the worm. "Come here, wormy, I just want to talk." The worm wriggled faster, the little duckling waddled faster. Mama Duck turned around. Oh no, only 4 ducklings were behind her. She called out, "Quack, quack, quack, hop, hop, hop." The little duckling hurried back, giggling. "That worm was fast, but I'm faster." Mama Duck chuckled. "Stay close, little one. The pond is waiting." And so they waddled on. A little while later, another duckling saw something floating in the breeze. "A flying leaf! I must catch it!" she cheered. She jumped, she twirled, she flapped her tiny wings, and whoosh! Off she went, chasing the leaf. "Come back, leaf! I just want to play!" Mama Duck turned around. Oh no! Only 4 ducklings were behind her. She called out, "Quack, quack, quack! Flap, flap, flap!" The little duckling ran back, breathless. "Almost caught it! Maybe next time!" Mama Duck chuckled. "Come along, little one. The pond is waiting." And so they waddled on. Finally, the last duckling saw a big, muddy puddle. "Oh, time for a splash!" And splish, splosh, sploosh! He jumped right in, sending mud everywhere. "I'm a mud monster," he quacked happily. Mama Duck turned around. Oh no, only 4 ducklings were behind her. She called out, "Quack, quack, quack! Squish, squish, squish!" The little duckling wobbled back, covered in mud. That was the best puddle ever. Mama Duck wiped his feathers. "You silly little duck! Now let's hurry. The pond is just ahead." And so they waddled on. At last, they reached the hidden pond, a beautiful place with sparkling blue water, lily pads, and tiny fish swimming below. Mama Duck smiled proudly. We made it. And this time, when she turned around, all 5 little ducklings were right behind her. "We're here, Mama, let's play!" And with one big splash, they all jumped into the pond together, giggling, quacking, and splashing in the cool water. They swam in circles, played tag among the lily pads, and watched the little fish swim below them. As the sun started to set, Mama Duck smiled. What a fun adventure! But now it's time to go home. One by one, the little ducklings yawned. They had waddled, played, and explored all day. As they followed Mama Duck home, the pond shimmered behind them, waiting for their next adventure.